Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you two easy ways to make cold press or infused carrot oil at home. In this method, the oil will last for a long time and you can use the oil for your hair, skin, or even add to your meal. To make this carrot oil, I've already washed the carrot. I will dry the carrot. I'll be peeling off the skin of the carrot. It contains beta carotene, vitamin A and E. Carrot contains some other important nutrients. It has anti-inflammatory properties that may help improve your skin condition and prevent aging. Peeling the carrot, I'll be using a grater to grate the carrot. When I'm done grating the carrot, I'll be showing you the first method I'll be using. I'll be drying the carrot, so I will spread out the carrot on a tray. Allow the carrot to dry. After about 2 days, depending on the weather, the carrots have dried. I'll be adding the carrots into a jar. You can make use of any oil of your choice like coconut oil, olive oil, mustard seed oil, but I'll be using olive oil. I'll be adding enough oil into the jar. Make sure that you add enough oil to cover the carrot. I will cover the jar and give it a good shake to mix properly. Then you can set aside to infuse. I got this idea of using dried carrot to make infused carrot oil from one of our pioneer Nigerian YouTuber called Flow for All Nigerian Recipe. You can check out her channel and see how she make her own carrot oil, how she incorporates carrot oil to her meals. Train to get the carrot oil. I must confess, this is the best way to make your carrot oil so that it will last for a long time. Thank you so much, Flow of All Nigerian Recipe, for this wonderful recipe. This method, it is so easy and quick. I'll be using raw or fresh grated carrot. Infuse it in the oil to extract the carrot oil. For the second method, I'll be using coconut oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. I'll add the grated carrot into the jar. I'll be adding a reasonable amount of coconut oil, making sure that it covers the grated carrot. Cover the jar and allow it to infuse. After about 24 hours of infusing the carrot oil, you can strain to get the carrot oil. You can use the carrot oil for your hair, skin, or even include it to your meal. If you want to add carrot oil to your meal, I prefer you use the drying method. So if you want a useful anti-aging or toned skin, try using carrot oil for your skin. This is the carrot oil that I made using the fresh grated carrot. I hope you can see how easy it is to make this carrot oil. These two methods are so good because you don't need to destroy the nutrient with heat. This is the carrot oil that I made using the dried carrot. I hope you can see how easy it is to make your carrot oil at home. And please, I would like to know the best method that you like to use when making your carrot oil. This video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.